Good evening. Welcome to Delight classes. Delight classes are run by Chris Kringle Academy, Gorakhpur. Dear students, this program is to benefit students everywhere, especially during the pandemic. We are to help you, and today's next video of nouns is related to animals. Today's noun video is related mainly to animals. My dear young students, my dear small children, this is for you specially, but it is for enhancing knowledge of everyone. So let's start with our topic. Today's topic in nouns is related to animals. First of all, genders. Genders related to animals, and then young ones of animals. तो मुझे तो लगा था कि छोटे बच्चे बोलेंगे नाउन खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा, but my small children are enjoying these videos a lot, and if I miss any video for them, so many messages are received by me. So I am here, dear children. So genders. Animals is the topic of today's noun video. Genders of animals. Masculine and feminine. Masculine and feminine. Billy goat is masculine gender. B-I-L-L-Y. Billy goat is masculine gender. Nanny, N-A-N-N-Y, nanny goat is feminine gender. Fox, vixen. Fox, vixen, V-I-X-E-N. So one side masculine genders are written, and on the other side feminine genders are written. Gander, G-A-N-D-E-R, gander, G-O-O-S-E, goose. Buck, B-U-C-K, buck. Doe, D-O-E, doe. Buck बोलते हैं मेल डियर को, और डो इज फीमेल डियर. Drake, D-R-A-K-E, drake, and duck. Duck is feminine gender and drake is masculine gender. Leopard, L-E-O-P-A-R-D, leopard. Leopard, and feminine gender of leopard is leopardess. L-E-O-P-A-R-D-E-S-S. Lion. Lioness, it is common, known to everyone. Ram, R-A-M, ram is masculine gender of sheep. And ewe, E-W-E, eve is feminine gender of sheep. Ram, eve. Stallion, stallion is related to horse, masculine gender, and mare, M-A-R-E, mare is feminine gender. Stallion, S-T-A-L-L-I-O-N, stallion, M-A-R-E, mare. Tiger, tigress. So children, don't do one mistake while writing tigress. Tiger is T-I-G-E-R, but tigress is T-I-G-R-E-S-S. T-I-G-E-R is tiger, but tigress is T-I-G-R-E-S-S. Tomcat. Tomcat is male cat, and Molly, Molly, Molly is female cat. Feminine gender of cat is Molly and masculine gender is tomcat. Cock, masculine gender, and hen, feminine gender. Bullock, 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 heifer, heifer, heifer. So these were some masculine and feminine genders related to animals. Now we are going to proceed young ones related to animals. Adults and young ones, one side adults is written and another side is young ones. Ant, A-N-T, ant. Young one is grub, G-R-U-B, grub. Ant, grub. Bee, B-E-E-B, G-R-U-B, grub. Young one is grub of bee and ant both. Butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly, and young one is caterpillar, C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R, caterpillar. One more is there with the same young one, and that is moth, M-O-T-H, moth, that is mostly used for silk moth. And young one of moth is also caterpillar. Butterfly, caterpillar, moth, caterpillar. Next one is cockroach, C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach, and the young one is nymph, N-Y-M-P-H, N-Y-M-P-H, nymph is the young one of cockroach. Duck, young one is called duckling, D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Eagle, eaglet, E-A-G-L-E, eagle, and E-A-G-L-E-T, eaglet. Goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose, and the young one is called gooseling. But my dear children, you have to pay attention to the spelling of gooseling. In goose we have double O, G-O-O-S-E, goose, but in gooseling we have only single O, G-O-S-L-I-N-G, gooseling. So there is a difference in the spelling of goose and gooseling. Next is housefly. Housefly, young one is called maggot, M-A-G-G-O-T, maggot. And the next one is mosquito, M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, and the young one is wriggler, W-R-I-G-G-L-E-R, wriggler or larva. Wriggler or larva, young one of mosquito. Next one is owl, owlet, O-W-L, owl, and the young one is called owlet, O-W-L-E-T. Hen, chick or chicken, you can write. Horse, filly or colt. Male baby of horse is called colt, C-O-L-T, colt. Male baby of horse is called colt, C-O-L-T, and female baby of horse is called filly, F-I-L-L-Y. Next one is ram, that is the sheep, and the young one of ram is called lamb, L-A-M-B. Pay attention, B is silent in lamb, L-A-M-B, the spelling is written, but B is silent, so we pronounce it lamb. Lamb, not lamb. Frog baby is called tadpole, T-A-D-P-O-L-E, tadpole, like a little fish. Fox, cub. Now, so many animals are having the name of young one same. Fox, cub. Leopard, also cub. Lion, cub. Bear, cub. Wolf, cub. Lion, cub. Tiger, cub. Bear, cub. Leopard, cub. Wolf, also cub. Now, young one of goat is called kid. K-I-D, kid. Next one is cow. Baby of cow is called calf. Baby of cow is called calf. C-A-L-F. C-A-L-F, but L is silent. So we pronounce it calf. Hare. H-A-R-E, hare. Hare is an animal like rabbit, but it has cut upper lip. Hare, H-A-R-E, hare, and young one of hare is called leveret, L-E-V-E-R-E-T. L-E-V-E-R-E-T, leveret is the young one of hare, H-A-R-E. Cat, kitten. Cat, kitten, dog, puppy, and swan, S-W-A-N, swan, and the young one of swan is called cygnet, C-Y-G-N-E-T, C-Y-G-N-E-T. So these were some masculine and feminine genders related to animals and young ones of animals. So my dear children, learn this by heart and see you again next day. Till then, goodbye, good night, share and subscribe the channel.